Hi, my name is Michael. I'm a product manager here at Silverback, and today I want to talk to you about Spill Stop. Spill Stop is a Diatomite product. It's mined here in Queensland, baked here in Queensland, and it wears the Australian logo. This is an ideal product for cleaning up spills in your workplace. It is a granular product, and it works really, really well. It's really absorbent. So this is a general spill that you might find in your workplace. We've done all the right things. We've alerted Dave that we're here cleaning up the spill. We've checked the SDS, and we know that it's safe to do so, and now we're addressing it. So instead of using pads, I'm just going to use the Spill Stop today, and we're going to again stop the flow from going to any drains. So I'm going to surround the spill, and then we're going to cover the spill. Now with this particular product, once you cover the spill, it eliminates any of the odors that are coming out of that spill. So why do we use a long brush? So we can keep distance away from the spill. So once we've surrounded it and we've got it all covered up, then we use our brush and we just start to work it in. This particular product is used by the fire departments and main roads and people like that, because it's ideal for those types of conditions. Because outside where it's windy, it's heavy and it stays on the road, it doesn't blow away. So this particular product, as you can see as I'm working it through, it's changed colour from a light colour to a dark colour. That means it's absorbed the spill. And as I work it around, you can see that there's no liquid laying there anymore. If I sweep this back, there's nothing. So that spot is nice and dry where that liquid was, and it's contained here in the rock. And as I squeeze that, there's nothing coming out of it because it's all absorbed. So that's how this product works. It's EPA approved to be disposed of if you're using hydrocarbons into the general waste up to 100 kilos, and it's available at Silverback on all the W's, which is www.silverback.com.au. Thank you very much.